In this video, I'll show you how to stop your Android phone from tracking you and protect your privacy. Let's get started. Did you know your Android phone has several tracking features turned on by default? These settings can collect your data, monitor your activity, and even personalize ads based on what you do. Don't worry, we're going to turn them off step by step. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll down and find Personalize using shared data. Here you'll see options that allow apps to share your data like location history, searches, and more. Turn all of these off. Go back, then tap on Usage and Diagnostics. This setting sends your app usage data to Google. Turn it off. Now go back again and tap on Ads. Tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm. This stops apps from tracking you for personalized ads. Now head back to the main settings menu. Tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Privacy Settings. First, tap Send Diagnostic Data and disable it. Next, tap Android Personalization Service and turn it off. Then tap Android System Intelligence. Scroll down and tap Clear Data and choose All Time. Also, go into Keyboard Settings and turn off Smart Text Suggestions. This helps prevent your typing data from being analyzed. And that's it. Your Android phone is now much more private and secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials.